In this lesson, we're going to learn about a problem-solving strategy that you can use to solve problems called Make a List. Now let's take a look at this problem. Emilio has some digit cards. The digits on the cards can represent the amount of money the residents of Boston spent on hot dogs in 2006. Use the clues and the digit cards to find how much they spent. Now here's our digit cards down here. We have a $, 0, 1, 1, 3, 6, 5, 7, 9. Now let's take a look at our clues. The ones digit is 0. The hundreds and tens digits are consecutive numbers. That means they come one right after the other. The digits in the thousands period have a sum of 15, with the hundred thousands digit being the greatest of the three digits and the 10,000s digit being the least. And the amount in the millions period is 31 thousands, or 31,000 thousands. So let's look down here. Let's read the problem. What do I need to find? Well, if I look up here, I can see that I need to find how much money people spent on hot dogs in 2006. What information do I need to use? I'm going to use the clues about the number that are given to me in the problem. And how will I use this information? Well, I'm going to read each clue and move the digit cards to the correct location. And I'm going to make a list as I do this. So let's look at the first clue. The ones digit is 0. Well, that's easy enough. I can take my 0 and put it in the ones digit place. Now I'm going to make a list. So that is my first one, my first number. Now I'm going to do this one and I'm going to add to that. The hundreds and tens digits are consecutive numbers. Well, let's see what consecutive numbers I have. I have 5 and 6, they're consecutive. I have 6 and 7. So it's either going to be 5 or 6 and 7. But I'm not sure, so let's skip that and let's come back to it. I'm going to jump down here to the last one. The amount in the millions period is 31,000 thousands. So I'm going to come down here and I know that 31 is going to go in my millions period. So I'm going to add that right here. Okay, that's my next number in my list. But I'm still not sure what it is, so I'm going to continue down here. Let's look at the next clue. Let's go back here. The hundreds and tens digits are consecutive numbers. Well, I could try 5 and 6. They're consecutive numbers in the hundreds and tens place. Let's see if that works. The next clue says, so now let's go down here and look at our next number. The next clue says the digits in the thousands period have a sum of 15. Well, let's look at the digit cards we have left. We have 1, 7, and 9. I know that 9 and 1 make 10 plus 7 is 17. That's not a sum of 15. So let's go back because this step wasn't right. So 5 and 6 are not the consecutive numbers. Let's try again. We said we also have 6 and 7. Let's try 6 and 7. That's my next number in my list now. Now let's continue on with this clue. The digits in the thousands period have a sum of 15. Well, 9 and 1 is 10 and 5 is 15. So these numbers work. These digits work. It says that the hundred thousands digit is the greatest of the three digits. That would be 9 in the hundred thousands place. And the 10,000s digit is the least. That would mean that 1 would go in the 10,000s place. That leaves me with one digit and one more place. So I can see that the amount of money spent on hot dogs in 2006 was $31,915,670. Now that's a lot of money. You're going to have a chance to use this same strategy of make a list on your own with this activity. If you have any questions, you can always come back and review this video.